Bukas na yun.
Knock knock. Hello, good morning. My name is Lani. I will be your nurse today, and I'm here till 7 o'clock tonight. I'm going to wash my hands, close the curtain, and look at the computer, her chart to see any order, anything that I need to do besides assessing the patient for her abdominal assessment. Oh, I did wash my hands. Just gonna wash my hands again just in case. Hello, what is your name?
Maria de Rosul Medios Quahaw.
Anong birth date niyo po?
March 3, 1941.
Thank you. I will check the patient's wristband or armband for any to verify her full name and birth date. And okay, can you please tell me, do you have any difficulty swallowing or masakit ba pag magluno ka? No or yes? No. Okay, no difficulty swallowing, and any pain at all? May masakit dito, masakit dyan.
Yung kanina.
The patient says her back of her neck is painful, the right side. And I will make a note of that, let the doctor know you have pain back there on your back of your neck. Anything, nahihilo ka?
No.
Any vomiting? No, nahihilo or nauseous? Nahihilo or nasusuka?
No.
No nauseousness and no vomiting, no sign. And just gonna check anything changes on your diet. Meron bang yung pagkain mo okay? You eat good? Okay. No changes on her diet. She eats well. Okay, I'm just gonna check the patient's color. So her skin color is appropriate to her race. No sign of cyanotic, no sign of I'm just gonna check the temperature. Bilateral leg, bilateral arm, wrist, her hand, her pedis dorsalis, they're both smooth, no sign of sweating, no sign of cyanotic, no sign of edema. Okay, so anything do I need to know? Pero meron bang masakit?
No.
Any pain on the arms? Your leg? Meron ba masakit sa mga kamay mo, ganyan, sa paa mo?
This one.
Pain there?
Sa
Masakit?
puno ng tainga.
Oh.
Ito.
So she said she has no pain on any of her limbs, but she kept saying that there's pain on the back of her neck. So, like I said, I will sasabihin ko sa doctor mo na may masakit dyan. Tapos, okay. Meron kang masakit sa pag-ihi mo?
No.
No pain? No sign of pain when she's urinating? Pag anong kulay ng ihi mo?
Pareho lang.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Clear? Okay, so, the color of her urine is clear. Okay, any masakit? May masakit pag umiihi ka?
No.
No sign of pain when she is urinating. Ilang beses ka umiihi?
Tatlong beses.
She said she urinate about she voids about 3 times a day. And okay, pag magdumi ka, may masakit.
Wala.
So she said when she go to do bowel movement, no pain. And anong kulay ng tae mo? Anong kulay?
Hindi ko makikita yan. Brown.
Oh.
Itim.
She said she doesn't know first and what color is her bowel movement, and she changed it to brown. So her bowel movement is brown, and there's sock. She doesn't have no diarrhea, no sign of diarrhea, and I'm just going to check yung chan mo, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, okay, higa ka na. Higa.
Dito?
Yeah.
Okay. Yan. Ako. Diyos ko. Ay, pinunasan.
Yeah.
Nasa likod.
Okay.
Baka marumi yun.
Huh?
Hindi, marumi to?
No, it's clean. She wanna. Okay.
Tuwad na ako.
Okay.
Sige na.
So I'm just going to check yung hands mo on the side. So any pain? May masakit?
No, wala.
No pain. No pain. Right lower quadrant, no pain.
May opera pa ako dyan. Di ba na operahan?
Yeah. So hypogastric,
Yeah.
no pain. Epigastric, no pain. Right lower quadrant. May masakit dito?
Wala.
Okay, right lower quadrant, right upper quadrant, no pain. May masakit dito?
No.
Okay, no pain on left upper quadrant. May masakit dito? Okay, no pain on left lower quadrant. Hypogastric, no pain, and epigastric, no pain, and her stomach is flat. No, patingin lang, okay? Okay. So no sign of rashes, no lesion. They're warm.
Okay.
What? Come on. Sige na. No sign of any pain, no inflammation. No barking. No inflammation, no sign of inflammation, no sign of redness or any irritation. The umbilical is midline, no sign of lesion there. There's no inflammation. They're midline, the umbilical. Okay ka lang? Okay, the umbilicus is midline, and her stomach is flat. No hernia. She never had any surgery. And okay, I'm just going to check her face is no sign of guarding or anything. Okay. Just gonna check my magkikinig lang ako sa sa tiyan mo, okay? Okay? Right lower quadrant. Okay, here. Okay. Right lower quadrant. Normal active. Right upper quadrant. Gurgling. Left lower quadrant. Left right up. Left upper quadrant. Left lower quadrant. No. Normal active. Left upper. Yeah. And do it again. Right lower quadrant. Normal active. Right upper quadrant. Normal active. Left upper quadrant. Normal active. Left lower quadrant. Normal active. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay na.
Okay. No, not yet. I'm not done. I have to check the other side now. Patitingnan ko lang yung bell side. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just gonna auscultate. Okay, that's better. Okay. Okay, titingnan ko ha. Gurgling sounds, no brutes, no whooshing, has gurgling sounds, no whooshing or blowing. Aorta. No wish, so I'm just gonna start here. No whooshing sound. Yelling. Pushing. No blowing sound. Oh my gosh, my back. No gurgle, no pushing or blowing sound. Gurgling. There is presence of gurgling sound. Normal active bowel movement on her abdomen. I'm just going to press. Okay. I'm just gonna. No pain. Is there pain?
Wala akong sakit yan, yung sa tiyan.
Ganyan talaga kasi pag chine-check namin. Any pain? She said there's no pain. No pain. Okay, okay. Opo, opo. Opo. Sit down. I'm so sorry, my dogs. Okay. I'm just gonna... Quiet. No. Quiet. Patingin. I'm just gonna check your stomach. Merong masakit?
Wala.
No pain, she said.
Basta yan sa tiyan, wala.
Okay. No pain?
No.
Okay. Okay. No pain there? Okay. Okay, we're done. Thank you, Miss Guahao. I
Thank
will make a note on your chart if there's any about your abdomen assessment. I'll let your doc physician know about my assessment today, and could check your chart. Thank you again. Have a good day. I will wash my hand, open the curtain. Anything else I need to get for you, Miss Guahao? And would you like any drinks?
No.
Okay. All right. So just call me. My name is on the board just in case if you forget. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.